Hi everyone, Arturo here from TaxDome and welcome to our fall update. Q4 is here and busy season is right around the corner. Our fall update is all about getting your firm ready with new tools to help you save time, capture more revenue, and deliver a smoother client experience. There's lots new in this release. We will go through each one of these, starting with the packages in proposals. Let's start with packages in proposals and engagement letters. Packages are one of the most effective ways firms grow revenue, prevent scope creep, and give clients confidence in choosing the right level of service. And now, you can offer them directly inside TaxDome with no extra cost. You can build professional tier service options, bronze, silver, gold, or your own naming, and send them in just a few clicks. It's a best practice that letting firms use to win more clients at higher value. And to help you set up this right away, we're hosting a live workshop on October 21st with Ryan Lizanis from Future Firm. Ryan has worked with thousands of firms on packaging best practices, and together we'll show you exactly how to put them into action in TaxDome. I'll drop the link in the description so you can register, and remember, even if you can't make it live, we'll send the recordings and materials, so make sure to register. Now we're excited to share our new intake and delivery engine and Juno integration, an industry-first end-to-end tax workflow that unifies the client experience and helps firms increase margins. I mentioned proposals and engagement letters earlier, but once you've engaged a client, the next step is collecting information, commonly known as intake. We've added client-specific document checklists and made a lot of improvements to the client UI on both web and mobile app experiences. That means smoother onboarding for new clients and faster, more accurate information gathering from returning ones. In testing, we've seen much faster completion, and we're excited for the impact that this will have on your firm. And when your team finishes their return, our new delivery module makes it simple to present the work to clients. You can add video reviews, payment instructions for tax authorities, signatures, invoicing, and even automatic reminders for estimated payments. Yes, your clients will get timely reminders in 2026, in January, April, June, and September without your team lifting a finger. And speaking of upskilling your team so they can focus on adding value, Dave Hasse, founder of Juno, has been able to increase both revenue and profitability with more than 50% at his firm. Juno extracts U.S. tax forms and enters them directly into your tax software, so your team no longer has to do data entry. Then, Juno's review module checks the draft return against source docs and IRS code, while the advisory module suggests ways to reduce tax and increase the value you deliver. To help firms put this into practice, Juno founder David Hasse will be joined by TaxDome's Ilya Radzinski for a live workshop on November 6th at 2 p.m. Eastern. There is a link in the description to register, and remember, even if you can make it live, you'll still receive the full recording. Bookkeepers, the wait is over. The Bookkeeping Hub is now live for every firm in TaxDome. You can connect directly to your client's general ledger, ask questions right on individual transactions, recategorize them, and automatically push updates to QuickBooks Online in real time. And unlike other tools that charge per client fees, Bookkeeping Hub is included in your TaxDome platform. Think about how those savings add up. The average 5-person bookkeeping firm serves around 100 clients. With competing tools, that's $12,000 a year for one feature and a disjointed client experience. Now, it's all together in one place. No extra logins for clients, no extra costs for your firm, just a profitable way to run your bookkeeping practice at scale. If this is your first time hearing about the Bookkeeping Hub, check the link in the description to see how it works. Now onto something no other practice management platform offers, a white label client mobile app. Your name, your brand, your app. This is the same mobile experience that's earned a 4.9 star rating from tens of thousands of clients, but now with your branding in the App Store and Google Play. As your firm grows, your brand becomes a key driver of continued success. The experience you deliver shapes referrals and strengthens reputation. That's why this is an exclusive offer for established firms that want to stand out and deliver a truly premium experience. And remember, TaxDome is the only practice management platform offering this. If you want your firm to stand out, visit the link in the description to learn more. Even with the best system in place, clients still ask questions that pull your team away from doing the actual work. What if you had dedicated client support without your team having to pick up the phone? If you're a TaxDome business plan firm, you do. With TaxDome's client care, those questions come to us. Your clients get help right inside the portal, and your staff stays focused on the work that matters most. It's one more way we help firms deliver a great client experience without the extra overhead. And every firm also gets access to the Client Health Center, a full library of step-by-step guides, articles, and videos. It's a resource you and your clients can turn to anytime. To learn more about enabling client care for your firm, visit the link in the description. Your team is working in TaxDome. Shouldn't they be talking there too? Too often, firms lose time chasing messages across Slack, Teams, text, emails, and context gets lost. Teams waste time switching between apps and logins when they could be finishing work. And sometimes, security gets compromised. But not with Team Chat. Team Chat lives inside TaxDome, so it's protected by the same SOC 2 Type 2 compliance that protects your client's data. Plus, you can create department channels, add mentioned colleagues, share direct links, and more. So, your team is collaborating right where the work happens, instead of somewhere else that costs you an extra fee every month. At TaxDome, security isn't a feature, it's at the foundation of everything you do. You shouldn't have to be a big bank to get bank-level security. That's why we're diligent in keeping your firm's and clients' data secure in any way we can. With granular access control in TaxDome, you can manage visibility at every level. Give bookkeepers access to categorized transactions without seeing tax documents. Limit junior staff to engagement letters only, not full financials. And control what each person in the client portal can see, so only the right stakeholders access sensitive documents. This means cleaner collaboration and stronger data security at scale. See how to take control of your firm's security with the help article below. And that wraps up the 2025 Fall Update. Thank you so much for joining us, and don't forget to explore the links in the description below to sign up for the Fall webinar series. We'll help you increase profits by getting clients to say yes to premium service tiers and automate your entire workflow from intake to prep and through to final delivery, all within TaxDome. If you're not sure if you can make it to either of the live workshops, register anyway, and we'll send you the recording so you and your team don't miss anything. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you again next time.